Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to log into your CashApp account from your PC. But before that, remember to support the channel by hitting the like button, clicking on subscribe, and turning on the notification bells. Without further ado, let's get started. First up, open your preferred browser. I have Opera browser opened, and then on the search bar, you simply type cash.app. Hit on enter. Then you'll be directed to the home page of the Cash app, and on the top right corner you can see the login button. Click on it. After that, you'll be redirected to their login page where you'll be able to log in using either your phone number or your email. If you're interested in using your email, you can simply click on the button that reads Use Email. After that, you press Continue and then you'll be required to enter your password. After that, you're logged into your Cash app. As easy as that. If there's any confusions, don't forget to leave a comment down below. We'll make sure to respond. Thanks for watching. Until next time.